How to use Sephora Auto-Replenish. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, what is an auto-replenish subscription? Auto-replenish subscription are a great way to make sure you always have your favorite Sephora products on hand. When you sign up for a subscription delivery, you will be automatically billed and receive your desired products. And also, to use Sephora Auto-Replenish, simply select the products, and after you've selected all your products, what you need to do is simply sign up and go to your auto-replenish. Before adding the product to your cart, you can add as many as replenish items as there will be specific auto-replenish items. And after you've added, select your delivery and you will be charged extra if needed. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to use Sephora Auto-Replenish. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.